Okay, so this is not at all what I was expecting. I had to go in somebody's backyard to get here. Ooh, I'm just showing you what I'm seeing. There's gravestones in here. And it said this was open 24 hours. But what the hell, man? Yeah. So I need to try to find... Good Lord. Oh my God, I don't even know it. Okay. Alright, it keeps going up here. I need to find somewhere flat so I can set up a tent. This is... I'm like, oh yeah, I'll just get some snacks at the convenience store and go to this park. Oh my Lord. Is that... Okay, actually, that looks like an actual park down there. Oh man. Okay. Yeah, there's a park. Oh good. Weird. Bad directions, but... yeah. Slippery. Okay. There's the park, alright. Good God. Good thing I'm adventurous. Cobwebs. Oh, see, there had to be a better... Maybe I went down the wrong street. Okay. Here we go. Perfect. Alright. Kind of hard to see on camera, but this is a very normal looking park now with picnic tables. Oh my God. I'll have to film the way I went tomorrow when it's light out. Okay, gotta save batteries. I'm gonna find a spot to camp and then we'll go from there.